Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to revive a bleached and a damaged skin. If your skin has been bleached or if your skin has been damaged as a result of a product you used in the past, don't worry, today is your lucky day. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure and the product to use if you want to revive back your melanin, if you want to revive back your original skin. Before we divert into the topic of today, I would like to say that not everybody with skin discoloration or not everybody that have knuckles on their skin are bleaching. Okay, I know that some persons, a lot of people like to be judgmental. Like you meet someone for the first time, you just conclude that yes, this person is because the person has knuckle. You now reach to conclusion that this person is bleaching. No, that is not the right thing to do. You need to ask questions. You need to know the person's story before being judgmental. Okay, there are some persons that have natural knuckles and there's nothing they can do about that. Why some actually consciously bleached their skin, why others unconsciously bleached their skin. What I mean by unconsciously simply means unknowingly, they use a bleached product. Why others knowingly they've been using bleached cream for many years. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about, or I'm going to be sharing with you all on the products or on how to revive back your natural melanin, on how to revive back your natural skin tone, to regain back your confidence. If you're interested in this video, please just stay where you are and keep watching. So before we continue, if you're seeing my face or if you're watching my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Not just that, turn on the post notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified for your skincare tips. And for my subscribe community, thank you so very much for returning back to the channel. So let's quickly divert to the topic of today. So if your skin has been bleached and you want to revive back your skin to its original complexion, into its original skin tone, you want to revive back your melanin, the first thing you're supposed to do, or the first thing you're supposed to do right now, is to discontinue the use of that particular product. What I mean is discard that particular product. That is the first step if you want to revive back your skin. I know the desire to lighten and whiten our skin has actually landed a lot of us into skin bleaching because we do not know how, which, or ingredients to be looking out for if you want to purchase a product, if you want to purchase a cream. And our skincare vendors, they're not also helping matter because all they want to do is to market and sell their products without minding if this particular lotion or cream is going to be good for this customer. Okay, and at the end of the day, your skin is being damaged. One thing you need to know is that most of all these bleaching creams, they contain harsh chemicals, they contain strong chemicals such as the hydroquinone, which also known as the 1,4-benzene oil, and they also contain mercuries, and most times they contain steroid. And this is the more reason why a lot of countries have stopped the sale of anything bleaching cream because of the damage it's going to cause to their skin. So I would advise you, whenever you want to get a new product and you're not sure of this particular product, aside from going on the internet to see people's review about this product, the next thing you can do for yourself is to google about the active ingredient, like google about all those active ingredients and know their uses to know if your skin can tolerate it or not. Most especially all those body lotion, body creams written times 10, times 20, times 3 lightening or whitening body lotion. Okay, so if you're not sure of them, you need to google. And not just that, do a patch test. What do I mean by a patch test? A patch test simply means you getting um little quantity of that particular lotion, apply it in a particular area on your arm, do it for like 5 to 7 days. If there is no any negative reaction seen on that particular area where you're applying the cream, you can go ahead and try out the product. Read out the contents, like read out the ingredient contained in that particular product. We have our mobile phone. You can actually use a mobile phone and check the contents. Like if you don't know what 1,4-benzene oil can also be called hydroquinone, so you need to use your phone, your browser, and google what is so thing, what is it used for. You don't necessarily need to wait for your skin to be that bad before you know that yes, this cream is not good for you. So if you're talking about reviving of your bleached skin, it depends. It's people that have bleached for so many years, people that have bleached for 2, 3, 4 years. It's going to take time for you to revive back your natural melanin. It's going to take time for you to revive back your natural skin tone, yes, to its original form. But then people that have bleached for like maybe 3 to 6 months, it's not going to take that much time to revive your melanin. Yes, so it depends on how long you've used this harsh chemical. It depends on how long you bleached your skin, because the more you bleached, the more your bloodlines is going to be so thin and weakened. So reviving back your melanin is going to take time. So after discarding this product, the next thing we need is my product recommendation on how to revive back your damaged skin, on how to revive back your bleached skin. So the first product I'm going to be recommending today, if you want to repair and revive back your natural and revive back your skin, is the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel is one of the most accessible products you can use to repair and revive back your skin. The aloe vera gel, it has an anti-inflammatory property that is going to help to treat and repair your damaged skin. Yes, and this aloe vera gel can also be used to treat your sunburn and acne. Like if you have sunburn and acne, you can actually make use of the aloe vera gel. It's going to work so effectively on it. The aloe vera gel I'm referring here, it could be the one on the plastic or the plant itself. So anyone you can access. If you can access the plant, still very good. If you can access the one on the plastic, still very good. If you can't afford this, you can go for the plant. Now, what will this aloe vera gel do to your skin? The aloe vera gel is going to help to moisturize, blend, and repair your damaged skin, bringing back your original melanin. How do you use this aloe vera gel in repairing your damaged skin? All you have to do is, after cleaning your skin, after your shower, apply the gel of this aloe vera. Apply this aloe vera gel on the affected area. Then before topping it up with your moisturizer, do this twice daily. It works more effective at night, because at bedtime or at night, your skin is tend to be at its resting mood. So whatever product you're using at that time is going to work. So the next product recommendation you can actually use to repair, revive your bleached damaged skin is the shea butter. The shea butter, it has a higher concentration of fatty acid and vitamins. And this fatty acid and vitamins is going to help in the promotion, or is going to help to promote the production of collagen to your skin. What will this shea butter do to our skin? The shea butter is going to help to penetrate, moisturize, and repair our damaged skin, our bleached skin, bringing back our skin to its original form, reviving back our melanin. But this does not going to work within this. All this program listing is not going to work within 3, 4, or 5 days. You need to give it time. Remember, I said the longer you've used a bleach product, the longer this reviving is going to take. While the shorter you've used a bleach cream, the shorter the reviving process is going to take. If you want to make use of the shea butter, use it only at night. Reason being that because at night or at bedtime, your skin tends to be at its reviving mood, like repairing mood. Yeah, so you using this product at night is going to help you to work more faster. And the shea butter I'm talking about here is not the processed or the refined shea butter. The shea butter I'm referring here is the raw shea butter, one you can randomly get from the market, and use this product immediately after rinsing your body. So the next product I'm going to be recommending, you can actually use to revive back your natural skin tone, to revive back your bleach skin, is these body oils such as the black castor oil, the vitamin C oil, the vitamin E oil, the extra virgin olive oil, the jojoba oil, and the lavender oil is also very good, most especially if you have eczema or if you have skin rashes as a result of the products you've used or you are using. Yes, you can make use of this. You can make use of these body oils. They work so effectively. Most of all these essential oils are very good in restoring back your skin to its normal, to its original form, like restoring back your melanin. All these products I just listed is going to help to revive back your skin. It's going to help to repair back your, it's going to help to repair your bleached damaged skin to its original form. But one thing you have to know or be at the back of your mind is that this product is not going to work overnight. It's not going to work within 2 days. It's not going to work within 1 week. You need to give it time. You need to give it time. So, and then on the process of using this product, you might experience your skin being darkened or your skin getting dark. Just know that you're on the recovery process. You're on the recovery process. No cause for alarm. And if your skin is getting dark, you shouldn't go ahead and start using another lightening product. I know that on my next video, I'm going to explain on how you can lighten your skin properly without it damaging your skin. In restoring back your melanin and repairing back your damaged skin, you also need to you also need supplements such as the vitamin C supplement, the vitamin E supplement, the zinc supplements. Not just that, you also need to stay hydrated. Yes, take enough fluid, because in repairing back your damaged skin, you need to treat it from the inside out. So if you're taking those supplements orally, while the creams and the products topical, the both of them in combination is going to give you that perfect glow you desire. So I've come to the end of today's video. If you have any questions to ask, you can drop it down on the comment section, or if you have any suggestion, you can drop it down on the comment section. So if you end up enjoying this video, give it a huge like, and not just that, don't forget to share this video so that other people might also benefit from it. Yes, and if you find this video helpful in one way or the other, give it a huge thumbs up, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips. Thanks so much for watching. Until then, bye.